Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. I want to thank everybody for voting on what to watch next. And as you can see here, the garland one. So we're going to get started on making that garland right away. It all started with a trip down one of the aisles at Hobby Lobby. I was looking in this aisle right here and I noticed that little bag up top right corner, and it had little vase fillers in it. This is the little bag I was talking about, and it originally was $6.99, but I got it for half off, and I used an embroidery needle and some embroidery thread. Now you can use whatever you have on hand, but I like this needle because it is larger. And it doesn't bend, it's easy to thread. And then basically I just started threading these little balls. These are styrofoam balls, but they're not as harsh and thick as regular styrofoam balls, if that makes any sense. And I kept this really simple. I didn't even count. There are more of these smaller balls than the larger ones. So I would do several of the small and then add a large one. And then several of the small again and then add a large one. And then I just kept repeating that pattern until I used all of them up. This is actually so easy and relaxing that you can do this while you're binge watching your favorite Netflix show. Oh, and speaking of, have you guys seen The Haunting of Hill House? That is awesome show, but I'm already done with it. So if you have any other amazing shows that you guys are watching right now, let me know in the comments below because I kind of need something new. Okay, so after I was done adding all of the little balls to the string, I just took a dot of hot glue and glued the very last one so it would stay still. You can also knot it, but I prefer the hot glue. And then I had these cute little snowflakes that I bought at my local Dollar Tree, and there are 6 to a pack, and I just strung a little bit of that same embroidery string through the top little ends because they are little ornaments, and I attached them to the garland in random places as well. And that's it, you guys. I told you this was super easy. Now, just like you would garland that's already made, you're going to have to buy a couple more of these packs. I would say at least 3 if you want to fill your entire tree. But I think this is so much fun because you can actually customize it any way you want. You can add different colors to it. You can add different kind of snowflakes. You can go for a more golden look or more traditional look. And you can also create some awesome family time with your kids and make your own custom garland with them. Alright, so if you like this super easy DIY garland, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you do create one of these. And I will see you guys when I get back after Thanksgiving. So I'm wishing you guys a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday, and I'll see you on Monday when I upload my next video. Until then, adios!